Success in nursing begins with confidence in medical math calculations. Today, let's explore how Kramer Nursing Math is helping future nurses achieve their dreams. Are you familiar with that feeling of anxiety when facing math questions on nursing exams? Many nursing students struggle with this challenge. That's why Professor Ken Kramer's courses have become such a valuable resource. The program offers two essential courses that target exactly what nursing students need. First, there's the Nursing Math Entrance Exam Prep course. For students preparing for their nursing program's entrance exam, this course breaks down all the mathematical concepts needed for success. Professor Kramer makes everything crystal clear with step-by-step explanations. Then there's the Nursing Dosage Math course. Let's be honest, medication calculations can be intimidating, but they're absolutely crucial for patient safety. This course provides a systematic approach to dosage calculations that students can apply in their clinical rotations. What makes these courses special? Professor Kramer doesn't just teach math, he teaches it specifically for nurses. Every example, every problem, and every explanation is designed with nursing students in mind. He understands exactly where students struggle and know how to make these concepts click. And here's something exciting. With either course purchase, students receive Professor Kramer's comprehensive nursing math textbook completely free. This valuable resource perfectly complements the course content and serves as a great reference throughout their nursing education and career. Looking for additional support? Professor Kramer also offers one-on-one and group virtual tutoring sessions. Scroll down and check out the tutoring section to book your personalized virtual session. The results speak for themselves. Students who complete these courses report outstanding success on the NCLEX exam. Many share stories of going from dreading math questions to approaching them with confidence. Yes, really. Whether someone is just starting their nursing journey or preparing for the NCLEX, Kramer Nursing Math provides the foundation needed to succeed. The courses are clear, comprehensive, and specifically designed for future nurses. Don't let math anxiety hold you back from your nursing dreams. Join the thousands of successful students at Kramer Nursing Math and tackle these challenges with confidence. Visit the website below to learn more and get started on your path to nursing math success. Thank you for watching.